Okay, so me no say na ye mo akwa ba biem Emra GH report. So ebusia enkrofo nim say NPP na ejadam esan issues ahodo a ekoso e wo Ghana henti no. People see it say e be very difficult edama NPP so ombetimi are return to power. But me pese ye narrow enkomo no edba Asante Mampong esan say oba Mampong a even the ruling party NDC no also a issue pa I was say to me discuss it now to do this I'm not the only one here me disciple and AD sa en common you see Obama NPP as a political party we have NP NP me fancy say na ban opposition
is an orphan sane ye kano nye incumbent and say nye party ruling party ni kra na bibia. Even the New Patriotic Party themselves, or more internal elections and internal arrangements, or more year to maintain the youth. Akamu says here to do on free mono. I said the old things, no, they are still doing the old things to expect different results, which is not done anywhere.
Fantastic. But see, disciple, I think now looking at the next general election of which we are all looking for, I strongly believe say there should be this kind of competition for that parliamentary seat, because we know the incumbent MP, which is Honorable Amprechum. Fine, he has been doing well, he has been doing his best. But I think majority of Mamponians believe that the best thing enough. So which means you be here obia obetime ayede abe contest. Yeah, for NPP grant on child. Let's put NPP as a political party and the MP aside. The NDC as a political party.
There is somebody there and ever ready, poised, energetic to come into the scene.
Charlie, my your words. The kind of no see. You should be mindful with the kind of words you use. When you say energetic,
poised,
ready. That's why lazy miem no show. I think it's going to be a keenly contested. Election because
unim ansa na nkame body no na nkame ni umienu nyina sorry ni apeje mu ni ashas ye the old great cause oyo nua o
sir we glorify that
oyo nua o nya sam keto
Charlie, for those watching us ye nyina ye course why missing I don't know missing I know of course ja oni gama o mabo me fucking
anyway me no
oni malemu amome
okay
so anyone na work na of course
of course.
Oyenuanom. Let's say be a shout out to you. Okay.
Memodi no.
Edina duro. So looking at all the accolades I would mind nipa no. Nipa be.
Okay. Kwabra nipa me kana say me Dr. Mike Amofa Dankwah.
Dr. Mike Dr. Angasa.
Dr. Angasa.
Okay.
Dr. Angasa. Na no doctor no nye hiri team doctor ni bi Abi.
I think say Obi catch him say doctor doctor you too.
Nyabotre
okay.
He started from physician assistant. And sana oba medical doctor Angasa. Now he is a researcher and he is into health management assistance now. Into another doctor no abroso.
Oh, okay.
Enye doctor bakope.
Okay.
But one thing that we should add ne say ofri Mampong haya to Zongo gata kesiye no Z199 hold free.
Wow.
Yes. Edunim se ya ankasa na ye de Mampong constituency leadership no ashe NPP for once o mismanaging government me akasa for over 16 years. Omo nyare. Obabra enfa. Hey. When we look at that angle, now you pay the next alternative there. Amofa is there.
For the
and
NDC.
He's coming.
For the NDC.
He's coming.
Dr. Mike Amofa.
He is coming.
Dankwah, right?
He's coming.
He's coming. And NDC, ebe home. But na, chama kama beba na. And on the chairman.
That's on the chairman na no.
Okay.
And I know so the on the chairman there. Chairman come winning hands down.
Okay, yeah.
Hands down.
Yeah. I know. One day we senior man.
Eti Stanford man who so far organize and hands down. We are near the Dr. Mike Amofa there na twaso.
But see, one thing I want you to understand, and it's Charlie, Honorable Yakubu, why na ye MCO? Wa marketing home. And I won't But me
on the side there so bad there me nya.
But me tete say so be ko.
So bad there nya. But se sia mampon. Ye gina se sia no. Ye here obi a we are very resourceful. What that kind of network and connection up there?
Yes. Very necessary. Very necessary.
Yeah, very necessary. For somebody from NDC to take the seat out of the hands of NPP or Mampong.
It's easy.
Just a window will be or you're connected. BBC says here no fafuna. The person will get a number on his phone to call. That is it.
See, I'll not cut you, but I think my having encounter with him and pay 1 or 2 come be on my boy. Tells me say up there no connection no. Seriously, see, you didn't come to baby now. I was doubting him.
Okay.
So police, picking the phone, police
documents
betray me. And documents no say what a bank also tetena because also a bank is
Kofi o dey me pictures in nchira wana me pictures achira wa what ruling party penimfo the way he is connected to them. Means Shona men can't also means Shona men can. He is part of the NDC financiers.
Wow.
Last elections, 2024 elections. Do you know the amount he donated to the regional executives? Don't
quote any figure. Don't quote any figure. Don't quote any figure here. Don't quote any figure on this platform. Don't quote any figure on this platform. But all that we want to say is
Mampong constituency itself, NDC, he sponsored.
Wow.
And the election they know.
Hey,
you can ask.
That's any one market
no.
But see, there be me. When you want boy,
I know.
So marketing who?
I know. Now one thing is on the guy. I saw your boys in the field.
Oh yeah.
Inti ene MPP party no boys ni Ghana free ma pay baby di omo akote no. Now on the bedroom baby enya election nkonkoye mainly on political base like NPP NDC. We want who will help Mampong. The Mampong dana come so. Timi tu anamo so obo Mampong akona anima obetimi ayes adena my.
But see, leaders they've come and gone. Or masa o me no ho se see be no ho say oh doctor my Amofa doctor dey bedroom be nice say what Mampong vodi.
Yeah, so funtunda de ma yenda ne.
Inside ji.
Hello, I don't come ya ntwere obuku bia ma.
Okay.
Enti kwabra, for all you know, said the dynamics we political system ne AC Daniel Mampong. Me myself, I would prefer say enka all lights will be on him. All lights should be on him. Only betimi aje Mampong.
Okay.
Yeah, but MPP NDC there. He is coming for NDC.
But one thing we need to understand also, and it's see, gone where the days are near war. Oh, me to NPP, NPP I'm supporting.
Oh, I hear this time.
Say, looking at Asante Achem there, or Kwame Frimpong, Adane. Looking at, I think that's it near NPP.
NPP.
Waji independent candidates.
And the appear could be sitting no.
Waji. A+ Gomwa Wakwaje. So it tells you say Mampong anytime.
I know the record back over from now.
Thank you.
Just past speaker deputy speaker Joe Wise. Honestly you be what be quiet.
You see? Fantastic.
It's near to me done.
So in oh no. Anything can happen.
Yes.
Dr. Mike Amofa Dankwah life and colored
life.
But you had your hanum. Na me ka asembi, I don't want to forget that. Say honorable Yakubu waba wedi ka pebi and wenya and they say if I say by virtue of his excellency John Dramani Mahama so we ni yenti no yama no position a we MC ewo Asante Mampong. I know he's doing his best. Now ono marketing ho.
Okay.
He's in the system. Now Dr. Mike Amofa Dankwah, as you were saying, you know, youth know, ebi penasem, ebi enemy no. Comparatively, do you see say omumi no e ba so mo tie gina na esi e peke ba ko pa hwan na the masses no e betuma tro mo support ya ba we a serious question question I know say no ambiguity we no ambiguity just go straight to the point between the two.
Kobi me ti here looking at said the NMC kon ohun say ye pe obi amana take this mantle na omo hwima konya na free MPP for nsem na MPP for adwena bom ho so wo mampon ha when it comes to leadership and Dr. Amofa Dankwah.
Okay.
Yes. On the elections we betting aka say honorable Yakubu Awubo ni di wadi kan ni honorable Gwampechum support wadi kan ba contest. Dane ne hwe per the statistics na dem ma ono on say no oba na nim kakra but now we have to come with a full force. Some person sit in this party we have to go with the full force.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
You have to go with the full force.
Okay.
And
so I was gusa yedi enkomo ni nyina sebe politically said the enemasifa aircon and yehwe now yenim say NPP people see say eja dem enemu ayeden NPP so beba power no ebe den nasefo but see upa constituency eja dem kura chei national ones no constituency eja dem chei national it is sometimes when we talk about such issues I think say eyana eye so disciple as we are going anything your final words anything you want to say concerning Dr. Mike Amofa Dankwah me to me dey me hu no me meet no so to the make na say me obi a me hypocrite me hypocrite me meet no me hu ni pa no now see honorable Apekom me na anante me nim zero sit here right
okay
how do you call it the incumbent MP me nim zero sit here do me no but the new man yahu na ho den
I made him nim the woman kan
thank you but me dey me hu na ho den enti everything shows that we need a leader not just a leader but those accolades now you see we need such a person mamenti on kana
very resourceful
yeah and
connected
and your friend don't go there resourceful your friend don't go there
what I will add there is you share your mampon so the political terrainess here na you benya eniama besisa because we share said the leadership ni see unya bibi fufu bia I say there is no direction in political leadership
exactly
your person niema sisa na niema timi ko na nim ni ehun se mampon no we have leaders at that status
sure
this year's system no and I said this year my seat competition very very highly competitive. And no ever say this year you will be original brand apart from the NDC. Brand ni and it could be Amofa Dankwah. Mamponi this year. That 109 free.
103 80 and come on no. So to the youth in Mampong. Yantia say a new face is coming.
There is a new face coming.
A new face is coming.
There is a new face coming.
A new face is coming.
I don't want to accept the new face, but what the emphasis are a new face on the ballot today.
Yeah.
That is fine.
Yeah. That's exactly what we mean.
Now a new face can say one can you get the comments back.
Eti we Mamponien me enti onka Dr. Mike Amofa Dankwah not just Kenyatia doctor professional doctor PhD holder Charlie don't go there enti no a fantastic man me akasa manya encounter with him and I was in love I felt in fact I was speechless upon meeting him. I was speechless and I know people may be saying all sort of things but enya na necessary the most important thing and it's a Mampong
there is a new light coming. That's the important thing. It's Mampong youth. I say, be na bama bua my leadership. Obi ohokra na yana our ambition is the person will become a leader in Mampong. Only Obi are looking up to. Because your leadership needs to see Anna. There is nothing to copy from them.
I remember I was on one platform. Get be posted. It was a MPP ni kwa wajai. Mampong MPP.
I answer. There is that kind of idea war mumu.
Yeah, Charlie.
And I can share with you a whole lot of people at 2024. I'm going to presidential elections. I'm to parliamentary. Yes, me myself make a
okay.
2 presidential I'm to parliamentary. But I didn't know who to vote for.
Wow. What am Okay. So we see. You do see. You say from time to time, you be and come on. Who a leader and I mean, who a political resource person. Whether you are a communicator, not just any function communicator.
You can speak well to us.
Yeah, because you studio only find young crasem. So I mean, omo very resourceful and knowledgeable. No, na mabana yetime ene mwedi enkomo. If you have anything to put across out there, we are there for you. GH Report TV, we are live. And for those that maybe obey new to this channel, no, we had our old channel which you're converting to different program. Say we are now building a new platform. It may be a one I'll be video way. If you chance on our channel on our platform, don't hesitate to give us a follow. Na yanko your name. All I video no API share so it wouldn't be bad. Charlie, yanko.
There's more to it.
Abo.
Yeah,
Apeke.